Homemade inventions help make people's lives easier and save them money. A homemade attraction will amuse any person. Beautiful girls, like men, work great, build houses, and also shoot wonderfully. Many women work in security agencies. Any production today is an effective cooperation between man and technology. Production machines perform more and more tasks every day. Very often a person only controls the production process. If the equipment is faulty, then driving it is very dangerous. Before you hit the road, you need to check the car for serviceability. Beautiful girls, like men, work great, build houses, and also do a great job with other work. Many women work in car repair shops. Skillful hands of workers create products that are needed for the population. Many handmade goods are also exported. The wonders of nature can lie in wait for us at every turn. And now you see one of these wonders of nature. The girls are not only beautiful, but just like the men, they work great, repair cars, and also lay tiles wonderfully and work in production. Making creative products requires skill and skill. The material for the products is varied. It can be glass and rubber and plastic. Today's specialists are very different from those workers who worked in factories a few decades ago. And the production processes themselves are very different. Any production today is an effective cooperation between man and technology. Production machines perform more and more tasks every day. Very often a person only controls the production process. Fish can be caught in different ways. Most people fish with a rod, and there are those who fish with a hammer. Today's workers are very different from the workers who worked in manufacturing 100 years ago. And today's production processes are very different from the production processes 100 years ago. Skillful hands of workers create products that are needed for the population. Many handmade goods are also exported. As time goes by, technology evolves and changes. The purpose and manufacturability of modern machines are also changing. This machine creates a shape for metal products by pressure force.